Good morning, children. Today, in our EVS class, we are going to learn a new lesson. Children, first lesson we learned the parts of our body, and the second lesson we learned how our body parts helps us. Correct? Do you all remember both the lessons? Today we are going to learn a lesson. My body needs care. The lesson name is My Body Needs Care. What is the lesson name, children? My body needs care. Very good. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to keep our body clean and healthy. Yes, how we have to keep our body clean and healthy. Can we see? In today's class, we are going to see how to keep our body clean. How to keep our body clean. What is meant by clean, children? Clean means without any dirt in it. It should not be dirty. Yes, there should be no dirt in it. For example, every day you must clean your body, right? How will you clean your body? By taking bath, brushing your teeth, like that. And also, children, you should keep your surroundings also clean. Yes, you should always keep your table clean without any dust. Will you all do it? Very good. So, in our today's lesson, we are going to learn how to keep our body clean. Very good. So, first thing, brush your teeth every day. You have to brush your teeth daily. How will you brush your teeth? With your toothbrush and paste. Yes, with your toothbrush and paste. You have to brush your teeth daily. Every day you should brush your teeth as soon as you get up. Are you all brushing your teeth daily? Very good. You must brush your teeth and you must tell people around you to also brush their teeth. Yes, will you all say? Very good. Children, you must brush your teeth twice a day. Morning you have to brush and before going to bed also you have to brush your teeth. Then only your teeth will be white in color. All the dirt in the teeth will then only go off. Okay, children? Very good. Next one. Take bath daily. Take bath daily. So, after you brush your teeth, you have to take bath. Very good. Are you all taking bath daily? You have to take bath daily. Children, you will use water and soap for taking bath, right? You will all use soap, right? Yes, soap will clean all the dirty things in your body. Okay, children, you have to use soap and clean your body. Then only you can be clean. Like you use toothbrush and paste, right? Like that, for taking bath, you have to use water and soap. And you have to take bath daily. Okay? Next one. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Children, you must wear clean dress. You should not wear dress where it is dirty. Okay? If your dress is dirty, you have to wash it and you have to dry it and then only you have to wear it. Yes, children? School uniforms and all you will wear and come, right? You should wash it daily and you have to iron it also. Then only it will be clean. If you wear dirty dress, no one will come around you, right? No one will be friend with you. Yes. So you have to wear clean dress. Okay, children? Very good. Next, you have to comb your hair daily. You have to see how neatly I have combed my hair. Like that, you have to comb your hair neatly. Yes, then only your friends will talk to you. If you are having a messy hair, will your friend come and sit near you? No, no one will like to sit near you. Children, if you follow all these things, you will have so many friends, you know. Yes, you should brush your teeth. Then only you will not get bad smell from your mouth. Okay? And you should take bath daily. Then all dirt in your body will go and the bad smell will go off, right? If you wear clean dress, you will look very good, right? Yes, then you will have so many good friends. Yes. Then you have to comb your hair. Yes, you should look clean. Very good. Now we are going to see this with pictures. Are you all ready? Yes. How will you brush your teeth? Like this. With what you will brush your teeth? With your toothbrush and paste. Very good. You will use your toothbrush and paste. Very good. You have to brush your teeth daily. You have to brush your teeth daily. Very good. Next, you have to take bath. Yes, you have to take bath daily. Will you all take bath daily? Yes, you have to take bath daily. Okay. So, first thing we have to brush our teeth daily and take bath daily. Next, you have to wear clean clothes. See how their dress is. Their dress is very neat, no? Yes. If you come like this, you will have so many friends. Yes, very good. Then you have to comb your hair. Children, you must comb your hair daily. Now tell me, what are the four things that we should do? Brush your teeth. Second one, take bath. Third one, wear clean clothes. Fourth one, comb your hair. Superb. Again, brush your teeth. Take bath. Wear clean clothes. Comb your hair. Very good. Superb. Next. Now, children, we are going to say all this in a full sentence. Repeat after me, children. Okay? I must take a bath every day. I must take a bath every day. I must take a bath every day. Next one. I must brush my teeth every day. I must brush my teeth every day. I must brush my teeth every day. I must wear clean clothes. I must wear clean clothes. I must wear clean clothes. I must comb my hair every day. I must comb my hair every day. I must comb my hair every day. Very good. Can we all do it again? I must take a bath every day. I must take a bath every day. I must brush my teeth every day. I must brush my teeth every day. I must brush my teeth every day. I must wear clean clothes. I must wear clean clothes. I must wear clean clothes. I must comb my hair every day. I must comb my hair every day. Very good. Now we are going to learn few hard words from this lesson. Are you all ready? Yes. First one, bath. What is bath? What is taking bath, children? Yes, cleaning your body is taking bath. Very good. What is the spelling of bath? B-A-T-H. Bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. Very good. What is the next word? Brush. What is brush? Cleaning your teeth. How will you brush? Like this. Very good. Now can we spell it? Brush. B-R-U-S-H. 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 Brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Very good. Next, wear. Wear is something we are putting it on. Yes, we will wear our dress. Put your dress. For that we use wear. What do we use? Wear. Very good. W-E-A-R, wear. W-E-A-R, wear. W-E-A-R, wear. W-E-A-R, wear. W-E-A-R, wear. W-E-A-R, wear. Very good. Next, comb. What is comb? Yes, we have to keep our hair neatly, so we will comb. Okay? What is the spelling of comb? C-O-M-B, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. Very good. Next, every day. What is every day? Daily. Children, you all know all the days, right? Yes. So, all the days we will say it as every day. Every day. Can we tell the spelling? E-V-E-R-Y, every. Day, D-A-Y, day. Every day. Every day. E-V-E-R-Y, every. Day, D-A-Y, day. Every day. E-V-E-R-Y, D-A-Y, every day. E-V-E-R-Y, D-A-Y, every day. E-V-E-R-Y, D-A-Y, every day. Very good. Next, clean. What is clean? Without any dirt, we have to keep ourselves clean. If it is dirty, it is not clean. If there is no dirt in your dress or in your face anywhere, it is called as clean. Okay, children, what is the spelling of clean? C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Very good. Can we tell all the hard words from first, children? Yes. First one, bath. B-A-T-H, bath. B-A-T-H, bath. Next one, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Next, wear. W-E-A-R, where. W-E-A-R, where. W-E-A-R, where. Next, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. Very good. Next, everyday. E-V-E-R-Y, D-A-Y, everyday. E-V-E-R-Y, D-A-Y, everyday. Next, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Very good. Children, what are the hard words that we learn? Bath, brush, wear, comb, everyday, clean. Bath, brush, wear, comb, everyday, clean. Once again, bath, brush, wear, comb, everyday, clean. Very good. Now, what we learned today? To keep our body, we must brush our teeth, take bath daily, wear clean clothes, comb your hair. So, what are the things? Brush your teeth, take bath daily, wear clean clothes, comb your hair. What are the things? Brush your teeth, take bath, wear clean clothes, comb your hair. How will you say all this in sentence? Can we see it again? I must take a bath every day. I must take a bath every day. I must brush my teeth every day. I must brush my teeth every day. I must wear clean clothes. I must wear clean clothes. I must comb my hair every day. I must comb my hair every day. Very good, children. So, you will take bath daily, brush your teeth, wear clean clothes and comb your hair. So, to be clean, you will do all these 4 activities daily. Okay, children. So, how many times you will brush in a day? 2 times. Yes, one in the morning and another one before going to bed. That's a very good habit, children. Okay. And you can take bath also twice a day. Okay. When you go out and play and when you come back, you can take a bath and wear a new dress. When you wear a new dress, your dress should be clean. Very good. Your dress should be clean. If your dress is dirty, you must wash it. Okay, children? If your dress is dirty, you must wash it. And you should comb your hair and keep your hair clean. Yes, you should keep your hair also clean. You should not look ugly. Children, if you are looking ugly, no one will talk with you. Okay? You should be clean and then only your friends, your teachers, everyone will come and talk. Okay, children, will you all follow this? Very good. Learn all the hard words. Okay, children. I will meet you in the next class.